Friends, never ever focus on your pain. Yes, never ever focus on your pain. Focus on your progress. Today's pain will be tomorrow's progress. Today's pain will be tomorrow's progress. And it always seems impossible until it is done. With these golden words, I am starting Panchayati Raj system in English. Panchayati Raj system in English. So, what we will cover in Panchayati Raj? Let's understand first syllabus, then we will discuss about how I am going to commence this class. So, syllabus. Panchayati Raj system from Vedic era we will study. Then we will study committees like Balwant Rai, Ashok Mehta, these committees. Constitutional amendment, very important, 73, 74. Then characteristic of Panchayati Raj, 73 and 74 in detail. Then constitutionalization of Panchayati Raj, how Rajiv Gandhi, Morarji Desai and all these prime ministers role in constitutionalization of Panchayati Raj. Functions of Gram Panchayat, articles, some very important articles. Pesha Act, you have urban self-government like Nagar Nigam, Nagar Palika, municipalities, municipal corporation, Panchayati Raj in Madhya Pradesh, local self-government rule in MP. Then Madhya Pradesh Panchayati Raj Act 1994, very important, underline it. Madhya Pradesh urban local bodies. Then you have rural economy, agriculture, problem faced by agriculture, forest, soil, 5-year plans, green revolution, agriculture model. You have miscellaneous schemes, practices, food crops, oil seeds, important data. Very important syllabus for you. Note down it, take it, screenshot of it, and we will cover sequentially each and every topic. Now I will teach you, now I will tell you how will I commence this class. So now you have understood the syllabus. Let's discuss how will I commence this class, how will I teach you. You know, I have already taught everything in detail in Hindi, but many of you have said, sir, please teach this in English also. You guys have little bit terminology related difficulties, I understand, because you have English medium difficulties. So first of all, these classes will be very fast classes, because I have already taught in slow motion in Hindi medium. Playlist is there, you can go and watch. Then these classes will be to the point. To the point means important facts. I will discuss only important facts which can be asked in exam. Then it would be point wise one liner. Yes, it would be point wise one liner. To the point means focused, and it would be one liner. Then PDF will be provided only on completion of this course, not daily, not weekly, because I have taken this time out for you guys, only for few of you. I have dedicated my extra time for you guys, so I can't make PDF for each and every class. You have to watch my video 2 or 3 times, make your own notes. In the last, when this session will be over, this syllabus will be over, I will provide you PDF, complete PDF in English medium. Friends, in the last I will say time isn't the main thing. It is not like that out of many things time is the main thing. No. Time is the only thing you have. You get everything only by investing your time. Time is the only thing you have. So these 3 months, these 3-4 months, give yourself 100% of your time to achieve success. Friends, tomorrow onwards I am starting this, and